All right, hey guys, welcome back to Forgotten Fruits. We are very excited today because we are getting ready to pick up our little chickies from the post office. We've ordered 30 Freedom Ranger chicks for broilers that we're going to run in our rotational grazing system in a chicken tractor we built last year. So come with us as we go pick them up from the post office. All right, so we're just getting back from the post office with our package of chickies. So we're gonna open it up. We got some Freedom Rangers this time. Last year, they had already sold out by the time we ordered them, so we got stuck with some Cornish crosses, but from what we hear, these are far superior. They do take longer, however. I think these, we are going to raise them till they're 12 weeks old, I believe. So it'll be a bit more work, but I hear that it's worth the trouble because they're a lot better of a chicken in many ways. All right, so you can see here we have a temporary setup here for them a brooder set up here, just using a water tub. I'm going to build a custom brooder in the next couple days here, but in the meanwhile, this will be more than adequate to keep them nice and warm in the garage here with the heat lamp. So we have all organic feed here for the chickens. We have a waterer here that we've put some electrolytes in for them, and a little thermometer down here to make sure they stay nice and warm. So they have all the things they need to flourish and do well until we get them out in the chicken tractor outdoors. All right, so here's the big moment. We're going to release them all into the brooder. Aren't they cute? Let's get a little close up. Very talkative bunch. You can hear them in the post office chirping away. All right, so it's getting a little bit windy out here, so we're gonna release them real quickly here so we can get them back in the garage and keep them nice and cozy. So these tabs open nice like this, so they can just drop down this door, this end of the box, turn it into a door. There you go, guys. Need a little encouragement? Go on. Go on. Go on. Got a couple stragglers that are wanting to stay in here for some reason. Come on, guys. Come here. There's tiny little fluff balls that don't weigh anything. Come on. Oh, come on, you old stinkers. There we go. Let's take this out of here because it's dirty. Go on. And there you have it. So we've decided to get them, it's mid-April right now. The timing is important. We're gonna have them for 12 weeks, so we wanted them to be finished before we go away on vacation. So I had to time that well. It's always tricky here in Michigan because it's cold this time of year, so we have to keep them in the garage for a little while to keep them nice and warm before we put them in the chicken tractor out in the pasture. But this timing worked out pretty well for us last year, so we decided to stick with it again this year. So stay tuned. I'll build a brooder for them to put them in the next couple days here, and we'll follow up and show you what I decided to do with that.